Had it with you bitch ass niggas, keep fucking with me. I'll put you to the floor, put you 6 feet on the motherfucking ground. What did I tell you before? Not to fuck with my girl. Now I'm gonna fuck up your world, cause I'm getting pissed off with this shit. I'm sick of you motherfuckers talking shit about her or about me. Niggas already know they're about to see a motherfucking side of me they never wanted to see. So keep fucking with me, I'll put you to the floor. No one can keep up with this flow, cause it's just me when I come around this block. I better get respect, bitch. You ain't shit when you come around me. I'll put you on the motherfucking ground faster than you can see. Try to fucking step up to me. I don't give a fuck what people think about me. It's just the way I go. This is my motherfucking flow. How many times have I gotta say to stop fucking with my girl? Now I'm getting fucking so pissed I can't even fucking see straight, homie. I don't give a fuck. I'm like a sentry gun and I won't stop until this motherfucking job is done. Now you people are gonna be 6 feet under the fucking ground. Sleep tight, motherfuckers already know. When it's right, it's right. I don't give a fuck what you fucking think. I'm tired of you people fucking with my girl. I'm getting sick of this shit. Now it's time to fuck up your world. I'ma turn your motherfucking worlds upside down, cause bitches already know I hold a crown for this motherfucking town. My mouth is like a semi-automatic weapon and it's not gonna stop. Bitches already know.